Puppet is an automation solution that allows you to specify how you would like your infrastructure to look, and then Puppet's job is to make sure it looks like that, whether it's installing software, configuring services, or making sure that services are running. And one of the great things about Puppet is you express how you would like your infrastructure to look in code, and then you can share that code with your colleagues, you can version control it, you can post it on the internet, or even better, you can take code that somebody else has written, download it, and use it in your environment, so you don't have to go through the effort of figuring out how to manage MySQL, Nginx, Tomcat, or any of those others. Puppet Labs and Huawei are working together to get our client stack running on Huawei's devices, enabling our joint customers to effectively automate their entire technology stack. The fact that they're able to use one tool, one language, one workflow, and one entire tool chain to automate their infrastructure is incredibly powerful, because as you look at managing not just the individual pieces of your infrastructure, but the entire application, that gives you more powerful tools, more powerful means of getting your work done. The fact that Huawei is enabling us to run our software directly on their devices is a critical part of getting the most out of the network devices that Huawei sells, and also out of the automation that we provide. Traditionally, network devices are relatively closed and they're very appliance-like, which means that it's relatively difficult for a customer to build their own tooling, build their own automation around it, and it's especially difficult for a partner like us, to run our own software on those devices. The fact that Huawei is more open, more willing to let their customers interact directly with the internals of the devices is incredibly empowering, gives us more ability to do what we think we should do instead of requiring that Huawei have all the ideas. And obviously, going with that, we're able to work with Huawei to make it so that when we build automation, it's automation that is along the same standards as all the other partners we're working with. So instead of having a unique solution that only works with Huawei devices, we're able to say, this solution works perfectly with Huawei devices, it also works with any other devices you might have. Because our goal is, if you've got a device, we want to manage it. And Huawei is doing a great job of enabling that.